Resolving common iProjection issues. First, you need to open the Epson iProjection on your PC. Click the refresh button on the projector list, and if the list doesn't appear, you need to check the Wi-Fi connection. You must first launch Epson iProjection on your computer. If the projector list doesn't appear after you click the refresh button, you should verify your Wi-Fi connection. Keep in mind you must select the T&L PROJECTOR Wi-Fi. Click to establish a Wi-Fi connection to T&L iProjection. Make sure you deselect the Connect Automatically box to ensure a consistent connection. Remember that the PC will select Connect Automatically Wi-Fi if the Connect Automatically box is left checked. You can now view the selection of projectors that will appear. Make sure to choose the correct projector before connecting. Hope this will help you. Have a nice day.